हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं। नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल और वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। एक सांस्कृतिक रूप से समृद्ध भारत के लिए शिक्षा के माध्यम से बच्चों के जीवन में नृत्य, नाटक, संगीत और कला का आगमन, भारत की कला और संस्कृति की विविधता का जश्न, कला उत्सव। Kala Utsav is a platform wherein students from across the nation come together to celebrate the beauty in India's diversity. It also helps discover a spatial talent, artistic talent inherent in children. हमारी संस्कृति ही हमारी पहचान है और विद्यालयों में कला उत्सव जैसे कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन विद्यार्थियों में भारत की समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत और विविधता का ज्ञान प्रदान करती है और उनको सहेजने और प्रगति प्रदान करने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाती है। Therefore, I thank heart and soul to the Ministry of Education for initiatives of programs like Kala Utsav. And it is a matter of pride to announce that today we have gathered here virtually to the inaugural function of regional level Kala Utsav competition 2021-22 for the events vocal and instrumental music. इस अवसर पर आप सभी का अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत। वीणा लेकर हाथ में सरस्वती हो हमारे साथ में, मिले माँ का आशीर्वाद हर दिन, सफल हो हर कार्य जो ठाना है आज के दिन। It's a time for lamp lightning and Saraswati Puja, and to do the honors, may I invite our guest of honor, the chief guest of today's event, esteemed jury members and coordinator of the program.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः। शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते। दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते। दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः। दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः। दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते। ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः। ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां
अतिथि देवो भव।
I believe that assistance and blessings of eminent personalities always make the program successful and memorable. Therefore, I invite Mr. Lokesh Kumar to introduce and welcome the dignitaries.
थैंक यू मैडम। अतिथि देवो भव कहती है ये भारत की धरा, स्वागत करके आपका हम निभा रहे हैं परंपरा, हम निभा रहे हैं परंपरा। It is my honor to introduce and welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Himanshu Vishwaroop, Dean of Music Faculty, Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagarh. Born in a cultured and reputed family at Gwalior, Dr. Himanshu has the good fortune to learn violin from Guru Pandit Keshav Rao. He also had the guidance from Pandit Sri Krishna Haldankar, the famous exponent of Agra and Jaipur Gharana. He is having more than 20 years of music teaching experience up to postgraduate and PhD level. He was a faculty member in Bhatkhand Music Institute, University, Lucknow. Presently, he is working as a Dean, Musical Faculty, Head of Department, Instrumental Music, and as Associate Professor of Violin. He has attended many concerts in India as well as in abroad. We have other dignitaries also joining us today online. Our guest of honor, Sri Vinod Kumar, Honorable Deputy Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur Region. I hearty welcome you, sir. I welcome Srimati Biraja Misra, Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur Region. I also welcome Sri A.K. Misra, Honorable Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur Region. Now I invite Usha Madam to welcome and introduce the jury members.
Judges are always considered the backbone of any competition. So I take this opportunity to welcome all the esteemed jury members. To evaluate the performances of the participants of vocal music, the invited judges are Mr. Jagdev Netam, Assistant Professor, Hindustani Vocal from Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. सर आपका आदर एवं अभिनंदन. Dr. Ishan Dubey, Guest Lecturer, Hindustani Vocal from Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. I welcome you, sir, to Kala Utsav competition. Ms. Neha Patel, Guest Lecturer, Vocal from the Department of Vocal Music, Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. I welcome you, ma'am. To evaluate the performances of the participants of instrumental music, the invited judges are Dr. Vivek Naware, Assistant Professor Sarod from the Department of Music, Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. Abhinandan evam swagat sir. Dr. Shiv Narayan More, Tabla, Department of Music from Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. I welcome you, sir. Dr. Bihari Lal Taram, Flute Artist, Department of Folk Music, Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya Khairagarh. Swagat evam abhinandan, sir. Once again, I heartily welcome all the dignitaries and the esteemed jury members. Hope our participants will make this day with their vibrant performances. In our Indian culture, guest is worshipped as a god, and all present in the meeting are our guests today. I invite Students Choir to give a warm welcome to our guest through a welcome song.
Gama का सौभाग्य बना।
यह अवसर अनुपम
स्वागतम 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 आपके आने से धन्य हुए हैं हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
देव हे माननीय हुई भूल चूक जो क्षमा करे हम देगा विशेष प्रस्तुत अपनी आत्मा करे।
अंतर से स्फूर्ति नाद स्तुति, अंतर से स्फूर्ति नाद स्तुति।
स्वर और सरगम
स्वागतम 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 आपके आने से धन्य हुए हैं हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
I now invite our Honorable Principal Sir, Sri S.R. Kujur, for welcome address.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, participants, and all present here, a very good morning to one and all. I, on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Khairagarh family, welcome you all to the inaugural session of Regional Level Kala Utsav 2021-22 for vocal and instrumental music. On this auspicious occasion, it is a privilege to extend a warm welcome to the chief guest of today's event, Professor Dr. Himanshu Vishwaroop, Dean, Musical Faculty of Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Khairagarh. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion. I am much delighted to welcome the guest of honor, Sri Vinod Kumar sir, Deputy Commissioner, Raipur Region. It is an honor to organize such program under your direction, sir. It is an honor to welcome Madam Mrs. Birija Mishra and Shri A.K. Mishra, sir, Assistant Commissioners of Raipur Region. We are grateful that Madam and sir have joined us today. I welcome the principals of Raipur Region under Raipur Region wholeheartedly, as this program would not have been possible without their support and cooperation. In addition, I offer my regards to all the esteemed jury members present here to evaluate the performances of participants. Next in line, I welcome all the participants. We are waiting excitedly to be a witness of their inciting performances. Lastly and importantly, I congratulate all the participants for being a part of the celebration of the unique art of India, that is Kala Utsav. I hope that this program would be a grand success and will help realize vision of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Thank you and Jai Hind.
और आगाज है। संगीत से, थैंक यू सर। संगीत से ही साज और आवाज है, संगीत से ही अंत और आगाज है। बादल के गरजने में संगीत ही का शोर है, बारिश के बरसने में संगीत ही का सोच है। चलो अब रुक करते हैं कुछ सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम की ओर, जिसके अंतर्गत मैं शास्त्रीय नृत्य भरतनाट्यम प्रस्तुत करने के लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय रायपुर संभाग के छात्र को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
We just enjoyed a great Bharatanatyam performance. Now we are going to listen instrumental classical music tabla performance.
गुरुजनों को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम गणेश चंद्र पंडा है। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय BMY भिलाई में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं 11वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आपके सामने हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल में तबला बजाऊंगा, जिसमें उठान, कायदा, रेला, कुछ टुकड़े मुखड़े एवं आखिरी में एक चक्रधार बजाऊंगा। तो लीजिए, प्रस्तुत है।
We just enjoyed a great performance of tabla playing. आशाहीन हृदय में तरंग भर देती है, एक छोटी सी उम्मीद निराशा को भंग कर देती है। मुद्दत से आते हैं अतिथि भगवान बनकर, मुद्दत से आते हैं अतिथि भगवान बनकर, अतिथियों के आने की खबर मन में उमंग भर देती है, मन में उमंग भर देती है। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट आवर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री विनोद कुमार, our Deputy Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur Region, to bless us with your valuable words. Sir.
Thank you. My colleague in the regional office, Madam Rija Mishra, Assistant Commissioner, Principal of the region, and Host Principal Mr. Kujur, TV Karagar, members of the jury, teachers, and dear students, a very good morning to one and all. It's my pleasure to be with you on this occasion of regional level Kala Utsav for vocal and instrumental music. Kala Utsav is a very unique program which promotes not only the national integrity, it helps the children to understand the culture and the values of the different part of the country, different states of the country. And that's somehow it unites us all and gives us exposure to the varied and important cultural heritage of the country, which we call India. Very rightly, it has been said that this year we are celebrating 75th year of our independence, which is very well known as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Almost all programs which are being conducted this year are being conducted under the banner of 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which we shortly call as AKAM. This Kala Utsav, which is being celebrated at present in the cluster level and the regional level. Thereafter, the children which are selected by the jury members in the different categories will represent Raipur region, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Raipur region for the national level competition, which will be held in the month of November itself. We know that at present we are struggling with or we are coming out. I will not say now is struggling. Now we are almost coming out of this pandemic situation. And from last 1.5 years, children are at home. Though our teachers have tried their well to be in touch with the children, at number of places, children are coming to school physically with the permission of the state government and observing all SOP of the COVID-19. Yet, a number of students are still at home and they are having their classes and a number of other cultural and different type of programs right from their home. They are eagerly waiting to, withdrawal of all sort of limitations which are present. Very shortly, Government of India is going to start a vaccination program for school children or children from age 2 to 18. So I'm sure that if not in this academic session, from the next academic session, we will return our schools to normalcy. So today I just witnessed 2 programs. One was the dance, instrumental dance, and other this tabla on by a child of class 11th. I'm very happy to see the talent of our children. Actually, this period has been somehow, in some way, it is a boon also, because number of children have got an opportunity to, upgrade themselves in one or other activities other than their academic parts. While sitting their home, they have good time to learn some skill may it be music, may it be some technical field, or by adopting some vocational courses. I saw that even our teachers are conducting a lot of online activities under the name Diksha. So it's good to see that our children and our teachers are, upgrading themselves, involving themselves in activities. It helps them to release their mental tension. It helps them to enjoy and keep a festive mood on. Right now, in almost in the entire India, if we say right from the Sahara to Diwali, a festive culture, a festive mood is on in the entire country. I was going through the newspapers. Even the markets are booming up, with a lot of investment, a lot of expenditure from all part of country. So once again, I convey my good wishes to all the teachers and students who have prepared, who have done this program. Their contributions, I appreciate their contributions, and hope that judges will enjoy and will appreciate the effort of our children. And I'll request judges to select the best ones who can represent Raipur region, Chhattisgarh state in the national level competition. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving us insight into various facts of Kala Utsav and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is 75 years of India's independence. कार्यक्रम के अगले पड़ाव में मैं इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर हिमांशु विश्वरूप, डीन ऑफ म्यूजिक फैकल्टी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी कि वे आएं और अपने बहुमूल्य शब्दों से हमें कृतज्ञ करें।
केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन रायपुर संभाग में आयोजित रीजनल लेवल कला उत्सव 2021-22 के उद्घाटन समारोह हेतु मेरी अनेक शुभकामनाएं तथा इसमें प्रतिभागी समस्त वोकल म्यूजिक, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक और फोक म्यूजिक के सभी प्यारे विद्यार्थियों को मेरी अनेक शुभकामनाएं। इसके साथ ही आयोजक एवं प्राचार्य श्री एस.आर. कुजूर महोदय को भी मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. And so please do the honors of inaugurating the program as well. Thank you, sir. As we are on the verge of ending the program, I invite Dr. Shravani Singh, PRT Music, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. A grateful and warm morning
to one and all present here. It is my privilege to have the opportunity to propose vote of thanks on the occasion of Regional Level Kala Utsav 2021. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's inaugural function a resounding success. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur region for having faith on us and entrusting the opportunity to host this event. I would like to thank Srimati Birja Mishra, Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Raipur region, and Shri A.K. Mishra, Assistant Commissioner, KVS Raipur region, for guiding us on each and every step to make this event successful. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my gratitude to the chief guest of today's occasion, Professor Dr. Himanshu Vishwaroop ji, guest of honor, Honorable Deputy Commissioner KVS Raipur region, and Assistant Commissioner KVS Raipur region, who spared time from their busy schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to thank all the esteemed jury members of today's vocal music and instrumental music, classical and traditional competition. Shri Jagdev Netam sir, Dr. Ishan Dubey sir, Ms. Neha Patel ma'am, Dr. Vivek Navre sir, Dr. Shiv Narayan More sir, Dr. Bihari Lal Taram sir. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for accepting our request and willing to judge the performances. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for sharing your valuable time with us. My sincere thanks to all the worthy cluster in charge principals for supporting us by sending the videos and details of participants on time. I would like to thank all the music teachers of Raipur region for putting their sincere efforts in preparation of all the performances. Also, the participants who took part with full enthusiasm. An event of this dimension can't be happen overnight and needs meticulous planning and execution and an eye for each and every detail. I would like to thank our worthy principal Shri S.R. Kujur sir for guiding and supporting us as a team leader. Thank you so much, sir. We are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very dedicated and motivated team of our Kendriya Vidyalaya Khairagarh who know their tasks and are very much result oriented. I, I specifically thank the teachers and staff members of different arrangement committees who have been the backbone of the event. At last, I would like to thank each and every person for putting their efforts directly or indirectly and making this occasion a grand success. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
This is the end of inaugural session. Now we will take a short break before starting the competition.